Hi there. Today I'm going to show you how to check the estimated ink levels of an Epson WorkForce WF-2840. Now this is nice and simple. We're done from the printer itself using nothing but the control panel found on the front of the printer. So to get ourselves started, I'm going to press the right arrow until we get to settings. Press OK to go into settings. And the very first option is supply status, which is what we're looking for. So we press OK again. Now here you've got ink levels and maintenance box, service life. Now most commonly you can be looking at the ink levels. So press OK into that one. And here we have a visual representation of the black, magenta, yellow and cyan ink cartridges and how much ink your printer thinks it has in each of them. Thankfully you can actually replace ink cartridges directly from here if needs be. But if you're looking at the screen due to a print quality issue you've been experiencing, it's actually unlikely to be a result of low ink. It's more likely to be dried or congealed ink within the printer's print head, which can normally be dislodged with cleaning cycles, which we have a separate video for on our channel. Hope you found this video useful. If you have, let me know with a like. If there's anything else we can help with, drop it down in a comment. Otherwise, thank you for taking the time to watch this one, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.